Nvidia display settings are not available. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if the Nvidia display settings are not available in your Nvidia control panel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So right here, if you have Nvidia control panel, but the display settings are missing on your Nvidia control panel, there are a couple of ways on how you can actually fix them. The first thing that I want you to do is to simply open up settings on your Windows, and then you can simply try going to Windows Update. Then when you go to Windows Update over here, you can see this sort of information. Just check for updates if your device has any sort of updates available and make sure to update it to the recent version. Once you've done that, simply right click and then simply go to Device Manager, or you can simply go to your search bar, open up Device Manager here, and as you open up Device Manager, you will set this information again where you can set display adapters, click on it. Here you'll find Nvidia GeForce. Right click, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, update it, and restart your device to see if that helps you. This way you can hopefully solve if Nvidia display settings are not available. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.